Hi, Brian from X-Ring here. Today's tip, how to easily install a trigger into your lower receiver. The first thing you got to remember is the trigger spring has to face downward, kind of looks like skis in the front. Once you get that in the right position, you'll find two springs in your parts kit. Okay, it's very important to use the right one. One spring has a coil that on one end is slightly larger, and the other spring, all the coils are the same size. The one with the one larger coil is the one that you must use in the trigger. Okay, so the trigger spring goes here. The sear spring drops into the back of it with the big side of the coil down. Now, the problem that everybody has, once you get the sear dropped into the trigger, is how to get all three of these items aligned with your trigger pin. Okay, now you see people dropping it in, struggling to get the pin in there, trying to align all three items, can't get them lined up, try to take a punch, put the punch from this side, try to wiggle it in and get them all lined up, still can't get the pin in. Okay, here's the easy way. You take the sear, drop it on, take a little pin. This pin I made, it's just simply a pin that's the same diameter as the trigger pin, but I cut it a little shorter. Okay, now you align the sear and the trigger, stick that pin in there. Now you notice it does not stick out of the trigger. Okay, now everything is aligned. I drop that assembly into the receiver, and now I simply take my standard trigger pin, press that right into the trigger, and I take my rubber hammer, tap it right in. Voila. Okay, trigger installed the easy way. Thanks, guys.